Hello everyone, this is Jaisal Sampath from Pune Gas. If you are in the LPG business, want to be in the LPG business or want to be a part of India's growth story, listen to this very carefully. India has about 12 million commercial LPG consumers, and by the year 2030, India will add 6 million more commercial LPG users in the commercial, cooking, industrial and other associated segments. All these LPG consumers in India in the commercial and industrial segment are going to need solutions, products and services which we at Pune Gas have been offering since the last 4 decades. There is a vast scope of customers that we cater to, be it the horeca segment, industries, metal companies, automotive segment, metals, pharma, plastics. LPG as a fuel is really used in variety of segments, sectors, domains, industries. Pune Gas is a market leader and a pioneer in providing solutions to the industrial and commercial consumers of gas using LPG and natural gas for all their heating applications. We are now creating this first time opportunity in the LPG segment in India by joining hands with Pune Gas, an opportunity for anyone in the LPG business, anyone who wants to grow their business or anyone who wants to enter the LPG business in providing solutions to commercial and industrial consumers of LPG in India and abroad. Pune Gas has set up an experience center for customers to see, feel and experience the services, solutions and systems provided by Pune Gas, what we have to offer in terms of products, in terms of our experiences with projects, with LPG systems and our innovative product, the LP Genius. We invite you to become a part of Pune Gas by becoming channel partners of Pune Gas in your respective regions, cities or countries. We are offering a once in a lifetime opportunity which has a very low investment coupled with high returns. We are offering complete support in terms of sales, marketing, lead generation, from an inquiry coming in to an order getting closed, and even the after sales service needed to cater to the customer. We invite you to be a part of Pune Gas, to join our growth story and leverage the brand and the reputation of Pune Gas which has been created in India over the last 38 years. LPG वो ईंधन है जो कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत की जोत को जला रहा है और आगे बढ़ा रहा है.